Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Hope you all are safe at home. Please take care of yourself and study at home. So, children, today in our English class, we are going to learn a new topic from our writing section, which is given in your grammar book in chapter number 25. And the topic is diary writing or diary entry. So, let's see what is diary writing. A diary is a personal record of your experiences and your feelings. Its purpose is to record events or some incidents or some memorable moments and to reflect on them. A diary entry is a short composition which a person writes mostly on daily basis. So diary is basically a personal record in which you can write your experiences and your feelings or your day-to-day activities. Now, introduction. Every diary has to start with an introduction. It tells you what you are, what kind of a person you are. And writing a diary is like having a conversation with a friend. Like you talk with your friend, you share your feelings with your friends. In the same manner, you can write your feelings, your experiences, your emotions and thoughts in your diary. Now, date. It should always be written in a chronological order. You always need to have a date in your diary because when you are older and you see that diary entry, you will never know what day it was if you didn't write it. So you have to mention the day, date and time in your diary. Now here are some steps of writing a diary. The first point, include your personal thoughts and feelings in your diary. Mostly, the simple tense is used, however, the present and future tense are also used depending on whether the writer wishes to make a resolution or planning. So, while writing a diary, you have to use simple past tense. And you can use the future and present tense also if needed. If you are making a resolution or you are making some planning, like if you want, for example, you can say you want to become a doctor or teacher and you are writing that resolution in your diary. So that time you can use future tense. Third thing is, it is always written in the first person narration. Like you have to use the first person like I, we, my, etc. And you have to use the past tense. It is written in informal and creative language, but still follows a specific format. Though while writing a diary entry, you can use the informal language, but you have to be creative. Your language should be creative, imaginative, but still it follows a specific format. There is a specific format for writing a diary entry. Mention the current day, date and time at the top left corner of the page. Now here are some points to remember while you're writing your diary. Creativity, imagination and expression in diary writing are tested. So you have to be creative while you're writing your diary. You have to be very much imaginative and you have to express your thoughts, your feelings while you're writing your diary. You should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. Whatever situation you are writing about in your diary, you have to show that you were the part of that situation. And in the exam, you may get any situation. On that, you have to write the diary entry. Any topic or any situation will be given to you. It is a secret record of one's life, so one can be very honest about one's feelings and emotions. Now, when you are writing your diary entry, you can be very honest while writing your emotions, your feelings, your thoughts, because you only are going to read your diary. Now, we'll see the format of diary writing. So, first comes the day, date. Then the salutation. Salutation means greeting. Like you can begin by writing dear diary. Then the contents, whatever is the situation, whatever is the topic on which you are writing a diary entry should come in this paragraph. Then at the end you can sign it or you can put your signature or you can write the first name, your first name. So here is one format. I'm giving you the format of writing diary entry or you can say diary writing. So first comes the day, date and and that you have to write on the top left corner of your page. And under that, in the next line, you will write the time. Then leave one line and then you can write the salutation, means greeting, and there you can begin with dear diary, because you're feeling as if your diary is your friend. Then in the middle part you can write the content or the body of the diary entry, and at the end you can put your signature, or you can write the first name. So here is one example which I am giving you as a format of writing diary, so you can read it. First comes the day and date, then time, then salutation, means greeting, dear diary, then the body of the diary entry, and then at the end signing off. Now children, I want to give you one practice question which you can do in your grammar copies. Now this question basically comes in your grammar and writing section, and it comes off about 6 to 8 marks in the exam. So here is one practice question which you can do it in your grammar copies. First of all, you will write what is a diary entry. You can write that. Then you can, on one page, you can make the format of diary writing, and then you can attempt this question. Last week, your family celebrated your birthday with a surprise grand party. Write a diary entry in about 100 to 150 words expressing your feelings. So this is your question. Now you have to write a diary writing in your copy. Thank you.